Ọgwụgo konye nwanyị kwuru n'obe. Ọ dị ụgwọ mme ọzọ nke dị. Ọgwụgo. Let me even share this one. Welcome, my people. Mchana emezi ndori. Then they believe. Umunso don't loyal. They never see the one wasting your poop. They never see the one wasting your poop. This nonsense phone, I don't know what your problem is. Then go hear am. Please, those of you watching on the King of the Game, you can come over at Ijele Speaks Remix. Let me post. I'm trying to post the link now. Copy link. Okay. I'm trying to post the link. I will also share it. I'm coming. Please, I can only see the comments on Ijele Speaks Remix. The network is... Guys, please, thumbs it up. Thumbs it up. I'm coming. I need to pack this page, you understand? I'm trying to pin the comments. Okay, where am I supposed to? Let me block 180. You know, so I never block many of them. Never block them for a long time. Especially this one. Okay. My people. I don't know. Come on, my people, please. Keep tapping the like button to avoid you know say body they pepper some people now. Some people heart don't they crushed. Some people they now they know they breathe well. They want faint. Now so they breathe now. Then they try everything like to breathe. Abubakar, Mazi, you know say this your last name, no be. I know just one is so they don't first report it. Please, my people, thumbs up, please. Thumbs up. I know they will report issue. We will conquer them. Let me block another also. But they come, body go the paper on. I say throughout today, nice block. I carry the waka around. They, you know, I don't say me, I'm a very kind person. Many of them, I go see them like this. So they know if they breathe again. You understand? They know feed. This is what I said. But why do you keep on blocking people here? Just a question. I block stupid people. Here is not for everybody. Okay, you can answer. I see you. Okay, Mohammed, I see you. Let me block another also. You see, you understand? This one now, is it question? Is it a question? So I block every also that comes here. One also a question, And that's why we don't want them. If you come here, if you not like report when our father finish, this video go day here. I know they violate any terms of services. My people, so long you keep on tapping the like button, they will not do anything. Keep on tapping the like button. Okay? Let me block another Uzu. You see all these ones that believe they are from Israel are the one asking me if I'm an Igbo man. How? Somebody that doesn't even know his origin is now asking me, please, once again, if you are joining us on the Big Masquerade, Undiluted Truth, or the King of the Game, I can't be able to read your comments. I can only read your comments on Ijele Speaks Remix. So check the Ijele Speaks Remix there. That's where I can be able to read your comments. Let me block who's. You see one Utobo. You say his father is a fool of 40. Please, I'm above 40. I don't do it means small. You understand? So go and register in adult education. So you'll be able to count. I know say education now na biggest enemy. If not, Ekberima Sokoto will not be leading you into this destruction he led you into. Are you understanding? Please, I don't have time for one man like you. This evening, I came to celebrate. You too like to block. They sweet me. He too sweet me. If you see, if I do video like this, I know the block person. In fact, many people they here now, they want to hear Umutobo. Let me block one Utobo. If you are here, you want to hear me say, let me block one Utobo or one Umwewu or one also, indicate in the comment section. Okay? My brother, heart to heart with Sammy. People where they inside bush go they call person where they city animal. People where hide inside bush. Chukwu Odugu said I was at main market today, everywhere full. We saw the video. We saw the video. Thank you so much, Abubakar Sadiq Usman. We saw the video. That is why they have gone inside. Did you see any of them making video about the sit at home? Did you see? By now, they would have set their ring light. They talk rubbish. By now, everywhere. Even this morning, they see the ones where they do. Enter keke. I dey tell on all these people where they carry keke, they video those early morning buying for sit at home. Now them they buy those people. He never show today. He never show today. You know why on a no see dead body for road? Where go make people stay inside? Now because police and army start this thing very early. Okay? The police and the army started very early. Leave this Utobo. You are not seeing any Utobo making video showing you where they buy people. In fact, they were so out of any fake video to show that they went and recycled the buying of Dr. Chike Akuni. One also is here. They went and recycled the video of the buying of Dr. Chike Akuni. My people, rejoice. Rejoice. Jump up. One celebrate here. Go out this evening. Onitsha, where many places are yecha. Obure be na yanu. Uduru obuna jerem na nke nwanyi ogidi na agwa anu with green spinach. Side uzo nepa. That ogidi side near that nepa. Go there, go buy meat. Go there, go enjoy yourself. Don't mind you mosu. Pepper body na you owe them today. Pepper body na you owe them today. Body go tell them. Like if you see their body though, please check on your family wey be bingo. Check on your bingo family. Okay? These people know they see themselves now. Go see Soludo where please. Those of you in the office, please let me tag Governor Soludo here. If you they do that V sign, no, the whole am vertically, the whole am horizontally. You want to go watch out, madam. Go bottom these people, Anya. Umuzu. Only can no ginako. Boy, I can see how far. Boy, I can see how far. How market. Men market also go Kozubel. More now they sell stars. I mean, I know they see stars there. This page they monetize now. At least make they see on a hand. Make we go through videos. They went and posted the main market early morning, 6 o'clock, where market never open. Market never open, they don't post video. Oh, everywhere is locked. Everywhere. So you do be agwiri munde mada kananya na gwi ha kananya. Eh? And they come.
February 2nd, 2026. Okay? I think I'm the mark of the Monday, I think I'm the canal.
Now, Governor.
Those of you put on Tata, Ekene. Anambra.
They are no more sit at home.
Mondays I can make shops. And I'm a German market. I'm going to main market to shop the main market for the first time in 5 years on a Monday. The shops there are open. Main market is open. Main market is open. Main market is open. Finally, after 5 years, we can now shop at main market. I'm going there to buy a few things. I'm going to shop. I'm going to shop. I want to go and shop.
Trust on Indonesia. Trust on Indonesia. You go here. Oh, imagine being so miserable that good news they pay you for body. Imagine how useless you need to be that good news go they pay you for body. Make I play more videos. Don't mind also. Wait, man. Wait, are they come? See market. Ozu, fear no even let you use real account come because you dey fear Ipunegi. Fear no even let you, like, how I take no say you dey just, you know, just dey stupid, say you be coward. Now the fake account where you first use. You see why I know they take on us seriously. If them born Ipunegi well, come outside, come talk am. You dey notice where on a day they talk to inside bush. Inside bush. You dey hear them? Inside bush, now they on a day the issue on a threat. Where they use less set of people. Because wanna know who they fuck on a mama. Wanna know who father on a father. Now me knock on a mama where you take born on a father. Now why none of you go try like they no born you well? As them swear for you rich, now fake account you go to use the talker. As you mumu rich, if you see trailer, you dey come up for road. Now why I no say you be pure coward? You don't understand? Check all of your commander. Many of them know they even open their face, they talk to me. You know why? They no say their own go finish last one. Now their victim go call me say he dey here. I go come still using dead body do video. Now why they hide inside bush? So I know that like all this on a threat now rubbish. Doc, Chico me the longest time one. All this on a threat. Now people where they inside village, those villages where they are evil leaders, they allow on to stay. Why on a no put head for the markets today? Why on a no pull head for men market today? Make thunder fire all of you. Try am. No be can drink obi na they see them. If them born on a mama, if your mama no be ashewo, why you no come out today? Idiot. If no be dog, they knock your mama next Monday, come out. Bitter truth, no mind them. Even give on a location. Come Concord Junction. You no go even come on leg finish like that without your gun where you go further. Everybody where they there, what I go make say I burn on a fuel dear. I go they do live video on top on a dead body. Say see now then they burn inside this motor. I go do a finish. Wait for those your politicians. Like fear no go let any of them open mouth. Any media person will put mouth there, you go collect. All this nonsense because they live on them. Why nobody go men market today? Why men market? You know, small time now they go make noise finish. If you catch that one kill them now, they go see they cry. Oh, we are betraying your people. Betray people who are one pie. They craze. Carry on, it's a spoil. I beg make you dey watch more video. Come on, soon as you see. No be people where they say they want to sit down for us with this. Eh? No be people. See crowd. See crowd. No be the people where they tell on us say they no one go market with this. I said put security everywhere. You will hear. This is when people will start discussing exactly what happened to them over these 5 years. Then you will know that he started in many communities 2017. Ihe ala local government area. He don't take na Okigwe. He don't take where they abduct people, they buy them for Okigwe side now. Yes. You think it's a new thing? Thank you, Dr. Chikomile. See the real traders. See the real traders. Their customers from Uyo, from Calabar, from Cameroon. See, Ben Market supplies so many places in West Africa. Imagine that for Abuja now, you go to see some people from some country, they come buy something. Before now, then they come. Some of them I don't know say, this designer clothes they see. All those Vietnam, China, and maybe Thailand shirts you are seeing, even India. Some of them are cheaper in Onitsha than in Lagos. Yes. If you go to Lagos line to buy many of these shirts, the price you will buy it there, their own prices are cheaper than Mandilas. Except you know a real importer in Mandilas. If it's people that are ordering from Turkey, all these places, no, you will see that those ones in Onitsha are selling cheaper. That's why so many people who know that place love going to Onitsha to buy. Cameroon, Gabon, all of these people, Equatorial Guinea, those people where they go Malabo. Those of you from Akwa Ibom and Cross River State, when I don't know Igbo people they from on the side they go Malabo. Many people they come Aba from Malabo. Then the ones who don't open eye for there, now people where they come on China, so they go they hide and make the other ones no. Make the other ones no. You see all these my shoes where now they see. Unless na emergency travel where I want to do and I need this kind of shoe, I go buy them for Abuja. Because I know say shoe where they sell for you 95,000 here from I go buy them 60,000. Yes, that's the difference in range. You see Bright, you see Ochanja, but mostly Ochanja. Go to Ochanja market and buy shoes. Thank you. I will still call you my brother. No, be sure I forget. No, this weekend travel, so don't charge my cars. It was emergency. Go to Onitsha. People, I will use this my platform to sell things to you. All these shoes you are wasting money on in Abuja, in Kano, now just to put them for cargo, this thing for you go reach. I go get, in fact, if you need to buy something in Onitsha at cheap, call me. I would send you somebody on the condition that you give the person. You know, go there expensive, 20,000 naira. Now you go give the person. So now you know how much you won't buy. Shoes, shirts, jean shorts, jean trouser. Jeans na correct. One jean where I buy, let me block one also. Stop saying what you don't know. Let me call somebody. And you see all these half shoes. Jeans where I buy for Mandilas, 70-something thousand. For Onitsha, that jean no pass 45,000. That jean no pass 45,000. Wait, make I show your hair, even there. Now, make I do live price list for you. You see these pants? These pants where you see now. Ask people who know how much then they sell these pants. See ya. See the mark. Furniture. I go tell you say this thing no pass 40,000. That's 40,000 for nature. I swear, but I know how much I buy them. So some of you know how much I buy this gin. Or me, I know where I go buy them for nature very cheap. Your import and that person. Musana. Yes. Kebe si cheap to manunka. Eh? Let me block one also. Your Nnamdi Kanu go buy for Sokoto prison there. I no tell ona. Say I go deal with them. He go buy for Sokoto prison there. Guys, they don't report this in thumbs it up. Thumbs it up, thumbs it up. Thumbs it up, guys. If I be make we just go TikTok self. Because me I know and they understand all this rubbish Facebook. I'm happy upscaled is coming up. Once upscaled goes live in Nigeria, all this nonsense where they do now, like all these Facebook who go get their time. TikTok, they don't collect and give those useless J people. Because when they try to suppress truth about what they do Palestinian people. That's no fee use social media again. Some like any report, whether verified or not. Well, let me be blocking them also. My people, let's forget that some people are willing now. They are weeping. They are weeping. The many people now. Tears full many people are. And it's to our advantage. We know they send them. Then go buy all of them. Each and every one of them. And it don't open markets. Make we see who go do rubbish. Because government live on her. Like which politician the interface between on and government where they know. If Soludo says Chinas and Wewu is coming back to Nigeria this Friday, he will come back. They say no have a tournament, you know, Ibo mother, RIP English. Umwewu. This one say a good dancer know when to leave the stage. Leave which stage? No. It's either on our wrong. Leave which stage? Come out and surrender. You motherfuckers. See, no be noise. Mona go put one camp for my village. Now shebi una say una go do anything we una like. The ones who una put, wetin happen? Make una put one camp for my village if they born unaware. This nonsense wey una dey shebi una see the occasion where my maternal home people do this December. Like say person go talk nye. Una know say all those villagers they protect una. Una try that kind of thing, na just phone call, all of una go finish. Umuewu. Very fully set of people. All of una go finish. Why on the money where people they contribute to do occasion for their community? Try them now. Okay? Umwanu mpama. Ikpu gbadi ozu ashawo nnegi na azachi na aso okwu ejiofo. Ikpu gbadi ozu ashawo nnegi. Anuman. Ikpu obu ni ikpu agbadi ikpu nnunu. Jenu mepe camp there. What will we do to you people? Oh, you come down to Igbo land. No, we started from come back to Nigeria. No, he's hiding in Abuja. I give on a location. They even they do live video. Nobody show up. Oh, why you come to the southeast? I come southeast. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you are not giving no location. I give on a location 3 TV radio stations. On 3 different occasions. 3 radio stations gave you time, announced it on air. Nobody showed up. Eh? Not one person came out. And you think say na governor na one go try go there, make you know say na because they just deliver. If not that the politicians in the southeast are the ones doing this thing and the activities of Ipob ESN are to their advantage. 24 hours, this thing don't end now. Eh? But those are there, Bonese. If you know those more, Ide Asia, you know that's a Ide Iseke, do the Iseke Lili. Eh? So you think say people don't know there? Now because government, this thing they favor on our governors and politicians. Many of them no one work. They no one do anything. Excuse where they go give you say security day. The same boys who now they pay. Yeah? Where they win election for now. All the voters card where them thief, where he dey? Them burn them. They will just burn some pieces, make video. Once camera end, they go just off and carry the other ones. They no before one politician house, they pack the ones where they collect for also keep. No before politician house, the ones where they see President Bola Ahmed Tinubu needs to issue new voters card. Okay? They need to do new voters card. All those ones where the politicians don't pack, make them hold them. Every single person, if you register, go to your local government headquarters and collect it. All these centers, collection centers, are places they will designate all these people to go and wait for them and be buying them. They know what they are doing. Everybody go to your local government. In many places like all these Ihiala people, they should go to Udele and collect theirs. If you can't walk to that place, find your way there to collect your voters card, then you don't deserve to vote. To avoid making people's communities a target, no, everybody go to your local government headquarters. If you go there, go see how they pack them, word by word. You go your word, mention, they carry and give you. This is how they should distribute it. Wait, I go call her Ben and make her do video finish. Make her do video finish. I go do voice note to Abe. This one say into where if you like coward like you, they behind fake account. Go check this page now. You go see my videos for where they just last week. You know you are a coward. You know data. Ozu, see as on they disgrace on herself. The last thing when you suppose write. You don't go to village again. When I invite on her for my grandmother funeral, anybody show up, I even give you date. You know your family. Utobo, in Awamia can Megan, what am I going to do with your information? Let me even block the Ozu. Come on, get the fuck out of here. Go put camp for my village. I say, no, I will not only buy the person who open that camp, I go buy a family join. Try on when I do 2021, you know, show enough for body. All the nonsense people where they do this rubbish, no more than they go. No. You dey hear me? Noise. Now this same noise the Ojuku go they do. Oh, they will destroy Nigeria. They will do that. Bomb by dawa una na agukwe. Ibu unu na akwado ogu una na eme mkpọtụ na akwado ukwe. Ojukwu bụ eze n'ala Biafra, emere ya na budi, Awolo nwanne ya Yakubu go on. Unapu imebi Biafra, Biafra win the war. Umozu, noise everywhere. Foolish people. I say now you're not the kind of family I go start with. I not tell them openly. The day I meet a man I can push him Nairo. For Federal High Court here. The last one, go check the video, they did this page. I did their fraud, their center, they do video. Nobody do PEM. Nobody na complain. Ntamu, mama, they know you gonna name me, gonna momo. If you made it, Obichi joke, I see you. Ewu, Umutobo. Oh, no, show whether. Now, me and show whether they quarter waiting the shop. Ewu. Pama. Your one baby virgin. Let him hide under 500 politicians. I defeated them. I will keep defeating them. Ask them why then they ask you for settlement. She be in a court with a go like this next month now. He go come wake up dead body. He go come explain Jonathan Day. He go come court. You know, I don't say me know they come court now. The two choices for him, now to run away or come and be disgraced. No be my lawyer go ask a question. Me too go ask a question. I never see anything. Umutobo. I never see anything. We want to demystify all those on a small gods to tell people say them be nothing. Oh, they go call am for witness for case where they involved. Now you no go come. Hezekiah no tell you why you run away. Hezekiah no call go not tell you why you run away. Omumpama. Me be their father. Whether they are hiding under church mafia or Biafra, though, I say na me be their father. Me, I know the best support for anybody. You know he's against the Christians. I don't need any group. I only need the truth. No, now where they need to they fight for them after they don't fuck up. And you say you no be slave. Umwewu. Stella nwara nneke kime. Anu mpama. I got big money to Zumura on a court. Nakwa next month. He go come wake up dead, but I don't say case don't finish. That means I no get sense. They not go greet tell on I say the case still they court now. All the accusation where they say their father buy somebody, the same lies when Nnamdi Kanu tell na him nwa baby virgin. Come tell for Abuja here. Why I know they talk Lagos on that? Because I know the judge waiting in talk. I just they laughed. But the what happen for we say yanko case where they strike out. To show you say na the same people. No be Obi or Ejiofor they take Satan. Allow Ejiofor brother. Umutobo. Go watch my interview on Sahara Reporters. No worry, will they wait for now? Odogwata cut this side for me from 3 minutes ago because waiting they go do, they go download the video, cut and go tell their judge, say, oh, this cut them for me, just cut them for me. The last 2 minutes ago and the next 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Let me block one also. Umuewu. Disgrace is coming. Cut me from 33 minutes to 39 minutes. This one disgrace they come. Unlike you will be completely disgraced. You see how they don't disgrace Nnamdi Kanu. He go die for Sokoto there. If he leave Sokoto, I can see how they go. Ungo specialist. Ungo ye nage je muni ye. Umumpama. Oh, he promised us to be a fraud. He said he will be a fraud for us. Doshi. Baba. Criminals, people with no record anywhere, no legacy. Now the tears of war where the useless war criminal Ojukwu start. If Ojukwu was put on trial today, he will be convicted for war crimes. Doshi. This is what you want to repeat in our time. I said, by the time we are done dealing with you people in this generation, the next generation now go finish the work. The next generation now go finish the work. And mark yourself so, because tomorrow night, we are telling them to take it easy, to do it the other way. They were the ones that they don't change maps now. People will tell you, say, government, they force people to come and say people no one come out. Shebi don't say I'm saying as security people they won't sit. Where is Kanayo, that useless man? Where is that useless Charlie girl? Looking why? Where are all of them that were shouting about checkpoint and roadblock? Which roadblock and checkpoint past the one where they put for them markets today? It should be as people they happy. Ndiara. Kudos to the police and the army for a job well done. Kudos to all of them for a job well done. For dealing with these bastards. For mercilessly showing them power. If any of them, Shebi then they do this thing, let me block one also. Let me block one Utobo. Omocho. Nezuzu. Shebi dem dey they dance with gun. Where that man wait under fire where they do video. Hey, if you come out and all of you that put camera, oh, now they fear camera. Ndoshi. Shebi they say on one fight. Why don't you want people to know when you are around? Because you want to go and target soft targets. Anybody that has camera outside, you they fear. Shameless people, cowards. Cowards. If I won't buy any of you, I go even want to make 1,000 cameras, they watch me. I will go and defend myself anywhere. You don't want the camera to capture you because you know you are evil. If I see any of them, gentle and boys, I go buy them straight. I go use their dead body do video, tell them, then they hear me. Ipob men are back. Where did they go before? Do you know when idea phone told me that these people are alive? Do you know how Ikenga knows they were alive, but he knew late? I was quarreling with him, not in a negative way. Let me block one also. I don't mean quarreling in a negative way. I've been telling him these people are alive. The photo they even used to fool the people in government. Ikenga has that video. He showed it to me and was telling me, oh, I said, my friend, this is not real photo. That was what they sent to the army. I'm happy the 34 Brigade Artillery Brings did not buy that thing. Now the headquarters get to tell us who gave them that rubbish information. Because how Obinze people know report that in non. Who gave you people that information? They tell me saying AI. Somebody say, I thought Gentle will be at your initiative. For where they born and where? No be inside bush they. Go they send boys, then go they kidnap people, they go collect money, they give them. Them born and where? Now midnight journey, then they do all those attacks. What they do 1 a.m., 2 a.m. 1 a.m., 2 a.m. This morning, why they not do anything? Because police they there in time. That early morning, people when they go market that early morning. Now then they find all these keke people go pass, give them information, say yes, road clear. Then the ones who carry gun go enter, kill 2 or 3 people, bonded, they do video. No, sit at home, ghost town. But because police do, nobody come out. They first send people, make they come check around for them. Then go first send people, say make they come check the place for them. Now them be their spotters. But because security, you will not see these people exchanging fire now. Some of all these policemen will go leave their work. They do another thing for checkpoint. When I go day 4, 5, day checkpoint. 2, they collect money. This one face this side. This one face the other side. The other 2 go just day there. They relax. One go they watch the money where they collect. Then go pass. The Okada people and Keke people go pass. Then come give them information. They will come, carry their guns. 40 people, 30 people against 5 people. Distracted 2 or 3. They told, oh, why we say no police in Biafra? Oh, go there today now. Try them. Useless people. Secure our cities are this one that we run. They are not looking for a fight. They are looking for victims. Ndabundara. The entire leadership of Asia, Osumo, Iseke, Lilu, Uli should be abolished. What Governor Francis Winfrey did is exactly what they are supposed to do. This is what they are supposed to do. Sack every single person. All man. Onyoabuna out. Onyoabuna out. How can you tell me that you are planning to build houses for some of them? You are planning to build houses for who? That's what happened. Oh, for them to stop buying people, are you okay? Then they will be parading with guns. Okay, these ones are seeing themselves as Niger Delta people. So you nothing say no. Now people when I say now they copy. At least they had what they were fighting for, and they are still fighting for it today. If no be people who carry gun for Niger Delta, I guarantee you that all your money that governors go steal the chopper. This one say I don't like you as a human being. How I wish you are my brother. With his own, like you don't even know how to write. Look at what you read that nonsense you wrote. Mpama, what do I need your likeness for? Like, who the hell are you? Ozu. It may be my fake account. Like, how is waiting concern me? Waiting concern me so you know like me. Me where you know like I like you. Like what do I need your likeness for? Are you oxygen? No. Are you my child? No. Are you my woman? No. Even if you are all those people like and you decide not to like me, waiting that thing supposed they come on me for body. Wampama. Ozu. What exactly do I need you for? Is there anything I want to do that must require your skills? Was also giving a man that I must come to you for one thing. Get out. Am I here to be liked? If I'm here to be liked, I for join IPOB now. Yeah? Ask them in Istanbul, they told me to be anchoring their social media. I refused. You say Monday is never finished. Come out next Monday night if they burn you well. If I am there to be liked, I know how to use Biafra to like if I begin to twist all this nonsense they used to twist on her hair. In fact, if person mention my name anyhow near you go spit on them. Thank you, Frank Okoli. It's humiliating to be liked by bingo. No, it is insulting to be liked by fools. If I start doing something that imbeciles, total fools, will be applauding me, that means I'm not doing the right thing. As a human being, you are supposed to anger stupid people. You are supposed to rage bait them. If you are not rage baiting stupid people around you, that means you are not telling them the entire truth. Decency demands that you make them uncomfortable in their lives. Let it be that when fools see you and like you see the way they are reacting, this shows you how good you are. I live in it. I revel in it. I cherish it. Ndi nepa. I don't want to be liked by a bingo. It will be a shame. I would have failed in my duties if I'm liked by a bingo. But the ones that saw the light and changed, yes, those are the ones that are showing you are doing good. Now, whether they accept it or not is not your business. Is this the truth you are telling them? Yes, that's the only thing that matters. Go ahead. Move on. And the way we will come and say, oh, I don't like you. You don't like me, Kagini Mezen? You don't like me, so? What am I supposed to do with your likeness? And will you use likeness again? Onye kebo. Who you? Where you fall? Who you? Where you fall? Flavor kwe frogi. Anyway ga akwugo ugwa kwa ngwa. Onye Chineke kpọrọ ka ikpọghara kwa. Flavor imega aro. Fear. Flavor imego mpu. Ishika, the only man natara Chineke onye okporo. Hey, dum. Odumejenna. Also is one of my favorite pastors now. If all these other pastors will be as comical as Odumeje, I wouldn't have problem with them. Do you understand? The guy men where they go there no say they suppose they go there. They know they go there say they won't receive any healing. All right, my people. We will not let anything ruin our day. We'll continue to be happy. And the bingos have every right to remain mad. You understand? Yes. Just that is too shameful that the traders had to be herd like sheep, like a cattle, before they wake up and do the right thing. Nevertheless, Osita Ademaodebabu, let the next generation learn from this. Let them learn from the disaster. Go and check the happiness level in Onitsha today. It will be very high. Go and check BP. People where they sell BP medication, then go lose customers. Many people go sleep well at night. Watch the faces of people in Onitsha tomorrow. As we are discussing now, people will be discussing this. They are having the conversation. Being that they live with all these in the Biafra, do they know them by name? When they come out, you go see them say, because they know them. Just because they have not yet broken through the Biafra barrier in their mind. That's why they still have pity on them. And the same people where they pity, now I won't buy you because you talk. Because you believe they are giving you Biafra. They know that, you see many of all these, they are useless pastors. Now, because them know say you now want go heaven. Now, because of heaven, you go they support bad thing. No matter how many children where they rape, no matter how many married women where they give belly, no matter what, something where una go take crucify other people, una go accept them because now them be the people where they front for na heavenly race. Now that time you go remember, oh, he's a human being now, making excuses for them. This is the way they are doing with this Biafra thing. They know that they have caged you with that Biafra. But you cannot reject IPOB and still hold on to Biafra. IPOB is Biafra by another name. Yes. Iju ekwensu ị ga-ajụ ọrụ ya niile, jụ mpako ya niile, jụ ihe efu nke ụwa ọjọọ nke a, jụ agụ mmehie niile nke dị n'anụ arụ. Ị ga-ajụ everything. You will reject everything about them. They never see anything, no? We will never even start. Chime said, do you want to come up? So I will send a request. Let me bring you on. My fellow Sabos, I'm supposed to end this nonsense NEPA. I don't know this national grid. Now, so they punch them. And a federal line, I did this last schools don't come. Hello, my brother.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. One day, how far?
The first second one down Anambra. The next one Bafo.
Charlie one Bafo.
Yeah, at least all the most one are correcting mistakes here. And the handy bingo now that their playbook is over.
Of course.
Now, handy Boma wana I get go my coffee with him and I would rob Masa Sali Igbo. Yawara Magi na nzuzu iberibe oge ahụ agaala. And ọ yoro mgbe ọ yoru asị mma gwara na-apụ ụka.
Of course.
ala Igbo a ga-azọpụta ala Igbo.
Ise.
A ga-akwado nzọpụta ala Igbo. Nke ahụ ọ dị n'ọfọ. We can never surrender our liberty to a group of marauders. It's never done in history. Let me say this for other audience, other listeners. Igbos, we are known for our resilience. We are known for our steadfastness. As far as 1803, Igbos were taken into the slave ship. They arrived the white man country, far away, Durban River, Georgia. Our ancestors saw it and deemed it fit, rather to suffer in slave plantation. They said, let them go back to the river. And they
Yes.
went in unison and they took that heroic decision. This was recorded as at 1803. That shows who
Igbo
we
landing.
are, the Igbo landing. And this is who we are. It is this sentiment and false narrative that was told from 67. Because, hey, like they say, in English, a parent that always want to shield their children from the wrong they've committed should equally save money for police case and attorney. That false history that was told that made us to believe we are the victims is our problem today. But we will overcome it.
Sure.
All these bingos in the bushes, let them not worry. Something they fail to understand, they are the low intellect amongst the Igbo populace. I will explain. Those who are putting them in that situation don't want to be in that situation. A man like Kano's younger brother, he is a free man to walk around freely, travel freely, use
Yes.
any of the major airports and fly around. Even recently, he went on vacation with his family. But gentle with his very minute, myopic brain, his life and Jamaica, they have incarcerated themselves forever. Even if the long arm of the law hasn't caught up with them, gentle can never walk a free man. That's one thing he needs to understand. What is the confidence for him to use the airport like any other Nigerian? Is zero.
Yes.
But they don't understand it. And they've put him in a position that his children will never be a proud member of the community ever, whether he understands it or not. Most of us today, we are keeping on the legacies of our fathers. Say, for example, let me use something he can relate with. Deriko Wamama, I don't know if he has a child, but let me use Lawrence Anene. He has a son. In his community, do he think that his son will be proud to associate as a member of the community?
The song came out, I think, around 2019 or 18, and we were begging people to stop calling him an any son. That is not his father, and he's not living that type of life. He came out on, so my Benin people, please help me confirm this news.
That
I
is the
think
exact thing that Gentle is doing to his children. Nobody will live here forever, even the brave, the weak, and the mighty. One day, everybody will answer that call of nature. Every metal has a day or a date with the
with the
goldsmith.
blacksmith, yes,
It's a certainty. But is he thinking about his children? And let me say this to him. Those that acquire him might not be the law enforcement agency.
of course.
His victims are waiting out there for him. And to the traders, it is good they understand their customer base is shifting. These guys are not vested. Because honestly speaking, who would invest XYZ amounts as commodity? I will encourage this.
Uh-huh.
It's better to be late than never. Let the Southeast push these guys to our base. And let me say this to these bingos. Onitsha main market is not the headquarters of IPOB.
Uh-huh.
These guys, they want to make some peaceful intellectual arguments that Soludo not be the market, forgetting that the governor is in charge of every piece of land within his jurisdiction. He can call the shots. Now I ask them, IPOB did not build any market in Anambra State. IPOB headquarters do not situate in any market in Anambra State. Now they know where Nnamdi Kanu is. Let every one of them that are sympathetic to his cause, that want to use this criminality, let them take their mats, go to correctional facility, Sokoto, camp there. It is part of civil disobedience.
Yes.
You don't, civil disobedience doesn't mean sit at home. Take your mat, take your bag, buy your camping tent, go there, camp in your numbers. That will even
Yes.
take interest. And you tell the authority you're not leaving till they give you Nnamdi Kanu.
Yeah.
That is it. Don't disturb the peace of the Southeast. You guys are so, these are ragtag groups. I don't need to tell them everything, but he was here for 10 years. At least they watch jailbreak. They can go on Netflix and watch the series, and they pick some one or two from it. They know they tried. You guys, they couldn't do anything. They do not disturb the Southeast. He's in Sokoto. Go to Sokoto and sit. And for those sympathizers, it's time they call the bluff. Ndị Igbo tụrụ ilu na isi kote ebu ya agba ya o metụla buru. Is that end of story? You cannot suffer the young generation. Do they know the imprint they've left in the mind of the young generation? Let me say this. Now, most of us may remember when we had so much scarcity of kerosene that people have to rely on sawdust to cook.
Sawdust season.
Thank you. That is an imprint that will never be, it's like an indelible mark. Why am I bringing that side now? Most of these children that have been forced to stay and miss school days and go to school on Saturdays, they have already corrupted their memory that they will never forget it. Not to talk about those who were whipped, whose exams were disrupted. This is not the best memory you need to leave for children. They are the next future, they are the next generation. Our duty is to enlighten them, make them understand, do not embrace that name Biafra. Each time it's been embraced, what is its end result? In Fela's word, sorrow, tears, and blood. We don't need it. We can do better and we can do great as a people. If nothing encourages an Igbo person, let them think at the end of the Ojukwu War, we pulled ourselves from the socks. Our fathers, our ancestors, they worked themselves from the brain to the top without any effort. I'm not saying that our people are not part of governments or appointees, but majority of us are self-made wealth. We built our own enterprise with our sweat. Yes, there is the good, the bad, the ugly. It's a mixed bag, but majority we built ourselves, and probably we are doing so to date. So we cannot allow this majority miscreants to corrupt the goodwill, the industrious nature which the Igbo people are known for. Today, within the Nigerian space, these people have made us a laughing stock. It's such a shame. These people don't make us see finish. That almost every, whoever wants to grow their page or to have that view, if everybody now, Igbo has become their talking point, courtesy of these miscreants. People that cannot openly discuss us and now, without reservation, are discussing every flaws. That's the Igbos we are like the most intelligent, they are not. Who caused us this pain? Nnamdi Kanu and his Igbos. And we have to put a stop to it. We are intelligent. We respect every ethnic group. At least when it comes to world history, Philip Emeagwali has put Igbo there. Emeagwali, sorry, has put us there. The man who defied what sinus, when people talk about Windows, is just the most common. It's not the most difficult. Nexus is one of the most difficult Windows. So he broke all those things. He put us there. At least we are top there. We are there. Respectfully. Not to talk about the likes of Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. Our son has put us there. Not to talk about the likes of late Professor Obiozo, not to talk about the likes of Emeka,
Mm-hmm.
the former Emeka Anyoko.
Emeka
This is
Anyoku, nwoke
this is
Obosi.
who has put us up there at the top pedestal, and we can't allow this Ekperima and his group to drag us to the mud. That today, what we're almost doing is fighting to redeem our image. Enough is enough. We have to put a stop to it. And I hope at the end of the day, that word Biafra will be criminalized. That is what I'm expecting the political leaders to do. Criminalize Biafra and save the next generation. And I speak to the young generation, do not embrace it. Embrace the world with a global view. The world today is your global village. Do not buy into these guys' disinformation. They are ragtags. They are never do well. And let me say this. Can anybody point one child of a well-to-do man who is among this ragtag? No. Look how laughable it has become that some crackheads, gentle and their group, are the one imposing on us, on our liberty, infringing on your fundamental human rights. The current Senate president last year has told that to a southeastern senator that Simon Ekpa is the one running your region. He tells him to go out and when to come out. This has become a laughing stock. And let me say this to our people. Even as far as 18th centuries, we have started, going to other people's spaces. That is our nature. If we fail to address this, let us know this. Once we lose our right of place within our region, you've lost it everywhere. You will not have a voice outside of your region. This is like people are watching closely. They'll begin to tackle you. You cannot even go to Lagos, Abuja, or elsewhere and have a voice. They'll tell you, shut up, go back to your father's place and have that command. Enough is enough. These people have caused us so much pain. They've cost us our goodwill. They've cost us immeasurable pain. And this did not start today, but we need to address it. Now is the time to put a stop to all this shenanigans. Nnamdi Kanu, Ikotre, GCG Buria. Thank you, my brother.
Thank you so much, Mazi, for that wonderful contribution. I appreciate my brother. You have been a part of this journey from 2020. So all of us that started this thing from 2020, we appreciate each and every one of us. Adaches Anyanwu, Kendrick Obinna, all of you, Sadiq Abubakar, I think we started around 22. I think. But man, he has stayed long here. So many people, even the non-commenters, I know say some they go follow all my pages, but they don't really comment. So I appreciate all of you people. It's a thing of celebration. Now, in closing, let's discuss the importance of this lifting of sit at home, the full opening of Onitsha. The number one importance is this. This Nnamdi Kanu's matter, which they are using to confuse people, use as a cover to do so many evil, it will begin to disappear from the consciousness of the people. It will just be restricted only on the social media. They'll be barking like a dog, like dogs. And as the days go by, many problems they are having will be coming to light. This sit-at-home issue kind of put to rest the battle between the IPOB people and the Nnamdi Kanu's family and the autopilot biggie. The biggie. So now that the sit-at-home issue has failed, they are going to create more problems for themselves. So this is what people don't know. Let me block one or two. Don't be me do now. No, they cry here. Which I'm not seeing your comment. Maybe you commented it on the other platform. I'm not seeing the comment. You can write the comment again. So my people, they know that once people start forgetting about this their case And as their problems are, Shebi, they come out the other day. What's their names? These ones that look like hostages. Nnemeke Ejiofor and the other lawyer. The other lawyer, they are starting like hostage. They are treating us fine. We are eating and we are taking shower. They are telling us, the leader said, when you come and visit me, you are not allowed to say so. Shebi, the ones who go Sokoto down, they tell you. No be one of their members go Sokoto the other time. But before they tell you, say, the leader say, if you meet them, Wahala still they come. Okay? Wahala still they come for them. Now people will concentrate on the exposition of IPOB by IPOB. Our own are to the do umpire. Then if you see say this side don't they win, we go expose some of their fraud to the other side. Teach, say they don't get sense. They teach them how to use that one. Now, no say now we follow promote Simon Ekpa. Many of them go we follow Simon Ekpa do, and because that time where we play that video of Simon Ekpa where Nnamdi Kanu tell them they listen to Simon Ekpa where they no see him. Yeah, that thing alone, Simon Ekpa when they use them, they start. Okay, I've not seen that thing. I've been scrolling up and not seeing it. The Simon Ekpa was using it to open his program. He was using it to open his program every time. Everybody listen to Simon Ekpa, who is bringing a new dimension in this struggle. This was, they had no answer for it. Okay? This one say you will see what they are looking for at the right time. When is the right time? Your name, they cannot shout right time, right out to Sokoto. Let's do it today. Why not today? Why not today? No be on they say concert east before. He no pass noise. He no pass noise. Catching feelings. Shouting betrayal. How is the person that doesn't care about you a betrayer again? You they fight me I they fight you. I beat you. You say I they betray you. I beg no they spam the comments. Oga no be this kind of start and they send here. Bogu levels. Please don't type this in again. Odogwawele, please. When you go, after this program, cut from number 35 to 48 minutes, 35th to the 40th minute for me, okay? Please. We block one also. Very useless set of people. My comment is asking why the government is not arresting the thief called Fine Boy, as he has openly identified with a prescribed terror tagged organization on social media. Listen, his sister in the police was an informant to the government. Now, what the government did not realize was that she was giving them selective information. All those IPOB people that are against their DOS and against searching us and they will give them the information, they will arrest them. So, on this Emmanuel Kanu issue, I just don't know why they don't want to pick him up. I don't know why they don't want to pick him up. I have done everything to tell them that this is the same Fine Boy. You understand? But I guarantee you it won't take long. I've not actually sat down, like kind of book an appointment with somebody, go and discuss it with him and tell them the political implication. You understand? I would get my time. Oduwale Bironka, I see you, my sister. You have been a member of Ijele Nation from day one now. Yes, my brother Odogwata. So my people, the more people are opening up their businesses, the more everything is normalizing, is the more they turn on these bingos, because they will now see what they've been missing. Say when somebody don't they used to something, go they value them until you lose her. Then when you get it again, you see how you will guide it very jealously. So Nnamdi Kanu is gone. Whether they like it or not, Soludo may not put it in them like that, but I'm telling you, he's not. Soludo did everything he can to secure Nnamdi Kanu's release. It did not work. Okay? You did not work. Are you understanding? It did not work. Your people, I mean the ones in the police and the DSS, these people are using them. Yes. I don't want, like, if I'm doing anything with the police, army, or this thing, I will not do anything that has an Igbo man except it's the one I know before. I'm just telling you the truth. Because all these, they are all using these people. They serve their needs. There is nothing they would love than for this Biafra business to linger for a very long time. It gives them an excuse. You see, Obi Agota, that useless fool. Go to his constituency. I guarantee you, you will not see a total project of 25% of everything he has received from day one as a member of the House. Mohammed Amin, I see you. I have not gone through his files. I have not gone through his financial records. I have not gone through his list of projects. As at February 2, 2026, I bet you that Obi Agota does not have any projects, all the projects combined, that's worth 30% of every money he has received in constituency projects. Prove me wrong. Please post all the projects of Obi Agota and tag me. Tag all of my Facebook accounts. In fact, don't just tag me. Send me the link in the inbox. No, call me on WhatsApp, make videos and send me. Inbox me on the page, mostly the king of the game. But the ones I'm reading comments on right now is Ijele Speaks Remix. Please inbox me on the king of the game, your WhatsApp contact, or send me the videos of his project direct. Make the video, show your face as you're doing the video. Or if you are not comfortable showing your face, just mention the dates you are making the video. Send me all of his projects. I guarantee you, I will then go. I promise you one thing. Let me block one also. How did I miss this Utobo's comment? In return, I will go to his reps record and pull every money that has been given to, that he has been receiving since he entered. All the funds that has been given to him, I will give it to you. Okay? Okay? Umuewu. Umumpama. But he is going to, I will still guarantee you, he is not worried about returning to the House of Reps for the next 4 years. Why? He is attending Nnamdi Kanu's court. Finish. Same with Enyinnaya Baribe. Why wouldn't you do it when Enyinnaya Baribe used it perfectly well? Yes. So if this Biafra ends, so many people will have to account for the money they've been receiving. The day you people, you see Undi Biafra, the day you start asking them what they are doing with their constituency project, they will tell the government to come and take out all this your ESN. In fact, now your ESN self then go send to come by you. They will call you Sabo. Now you know how a Sabo is made. A Sabo is made when you are exposing the criminals that are defending them online, from politicians to ministers to the rest of them. Are you understanding the game now? Are you getting? Most of their members, that were active members in 2017, the ones they used to insult Clifford Iran and co. Where are they today? They still use these their ESM people to buy them. Go and check all the people that were there in 2017 that left. Many of them they buy them. Many of them left because they buy these people. And it's these ESM boys. They were asking volunteer force from BSS to volunteer force, from volunteer force to Lion Squad, from Lion Squad to ESI. Okay? The names will change, but the leaders are the same. Benjamin Modibu, Gusapele, Obasiwe don't buy, and all these people. Abi Obasi still there inside, I don't know. But that one, na pure Abakia, they really dealt with these people. Abakia, they really dealt with these people. Kai, as we are celebrating today, let us also celebrate Abakia. Let's not be ungrateful people that we celebrate Abakia after he has gone. Just like everybody is now celebrating Abacha. I don't know a single president in 1999, from 1999, you will bring today and the person will defeat Abacha in a poll. It doesn't exist. From PDP to the APC, there is nobody, no president is more popular than Abacha today. This is how Abakari will be remembered in the next 20 years. By the time all this nonsense go clear on our for eye, on our go know say every single person where these people target, you see Onyedikachi, what they're doing to Onyedikachi is because it's the politicians that are doing these things. Your pastors, when you see them with the politicians, is because they work together. When you have any problem with them, they will call those politicians will call the ones in the ministry. Some of them, those judges, those police people attend their churches and people are bringing money. Are you understanding how your society works? So it's not too difficult. You just have to put your eyes and ears down and understand what is going on. If not, you are just a fool. No mugu pass you. No matter, you can be a professor. You may be an industrialist. You may be an engineer, scientist, mathematician. But if you don't understand this thing I just explained to you now, it will complete meh. It will bingo. This is why they are using your energy. One neck up, we go carry nka. Ndoshi. Baba. Biafra go they come na Baba. Failed Baba na I won't see him. Failed Yahoo son of a failed Yahoo catcher. Now I won't see the Biafra for you. Your politicians will not if you do your project. Now he won't help you get nah uno not man. You are a complete buffoon. If you believe these things they are telling you, repeat after me. I am a bonobo. Okay? Many of you don't know what is going on and they want you to remain ignorant. You see why we are not begging you to listen. They know why they are pampering you. Oh, we are the smartest people. We are the wisest people. If we are giving us power, the people that closed that main market, the people that couldn't build the roads, I will make a video. I have one video from Yola. Do you know the size of Yola? Yola alone is almost the half of Enugu or Anambra. Eh? Do you know the size? So the number of roads, the length of roads in Adamawa and Borno State, if you put them for Southeast, you go use and ring Southeast round like this. You go use and build ring around Southeast. See am. You dey see space. see how many lanes. Oh, wait, let me go back so you'll be able to see how many lanes. How many lanes are you counting there? Mind you, this one lane. These other places, how many lanes? One still there. How many lanes should they count there? This video is like four different videos. See. Those lights are solar powered. Those lights are solar powered. The ones where they put from warehouse to Umuaka side, then go cut all of them. They cut them ndoshi. And they did that thing after the useless Nonsonkwa joined with the campaign with all these people to remove those Morubi checkpoints. They went and cut every single thing. Criminals. Tonda gababu nunine. Kwefuru ara gababu chu nunine.